Good morning, class. Standard 10 Physical Educations. Today's chapter, Section A, Health and Hygiene part, that is Safety in Sports. That topic, chapter is Safety in Sports. Related sports injuries and prevention of injuries. These two topics I'm going to explain you. Already explained in last year. So this year I'm repeating for revision type I'm giving you. So let me talk safety in sports. First we'll see muscle strain. Muscle strain, the causes, preventions, first aid. What is the muscle strain? Suddenly, without warm up, you going for walking or running, suddenly the muscle may pull. So that is called. So before do any exercise, you have to warm up your body parts thoroughly. Causes: pulling or twisting of the muscles or tendons. Preventions: proper conditioning during preparation, alertness while playing, complete knowledge about the game, discontinue playing in case of fatigue. Now first aid: make the affected area comfortable, wash with cold water for 15 to 30 minutes. Take painkiller in case of excessive pain. So these are the pain. There is a lot of injuries are there. ACL is there, torn MCL. So many things are there. So next, torn ACL causes slowing down and trying to cut, pivot or change directions. That suddenly take a step and move. You can't control your body balance and mind. Likewise, prevention: proper conditioning during preparations, alertness while playing, discontinue playing in case of fatigue. If you are tired, don't play. Take a rest. First aid: RICE. RICE, RICE. You know that what the full meaning of RICE. Rest, ice, compression and elevations. That is full form of RICE. Next, torn MCL causes external rotational force are placed on the knee joint. Prevention: proper conditioning during preparations, alertness while playing, discontinue playing in case of fatigue. That's the first aid. Next, I will come to the shin splint. Causes, preventions: excessive amount of force on the shin bone. Shin bone means like those who are playing kickboxing, hockey, football, cricket without having a leg pad. Like that, it will lead directly shin bone only. That is called shin splint. First aid: use proper protection gear, regular exercise. For this first aid. Next, fracture. Fracture may be the accident fracture, shoulder fractures, elbow fractures, thigh muscle fractures. So many fractures, airline cracker. Causes: sudden heavy impact, unnatural movements. Preventions: adequate warm up before training, complete knowledge about the game. Now first aid: give rest to affected area, apply a splint to the affected area. splint out like a padding like a plaster. Keep something in the wooden or paper. You have to roll on that immobile. You should not move the pot. Next, tennis elbow causes excessive gripping activities. Prevention, regular stretching and strengthening exercises. First aid for this, rest, apply ice pack. Next, I will come to low back pain. Causes repetitive and overuse of spine stretcher. Comprehensive physical therapy, that is prevention. First aid, apply rise, physiotherapy exercises. You have to continue. Next, hip bursitis. Causes continuous stress, infections, trauma. Preventions, adequate rest intervals. First aid, apply MICE, M-I-C-E. And next, concussion. Concussion means is a blood clot, like a brain hemorrhage type. Causes injury to brain due to blow to the head, like a boxing or any motor accident without wearing helmet, head injuries, or something falling on your head, like while walking on the road and tree branches fall on your head, likewise. Prevention, wear proper gear while exercising the sport. First aid, rest, reduce activities for 48 hours. Now, Achilles tendinitis, that normally will happen below the foot, that is the heel areas. Achilles tendinitis is called, causes over of Achilles tendon. Prevention, no sudden increase in intensity of runs, stretch daily, cross through. First aid, apply price. Preventions, rest, ice, compression and elevations, price. Next, we will come to the related to the prevention of injuries. How we are going to preventions? Prevention of injuries. First, wear protective gear. Adequate rest between workouts. Safe sports facilities. Proper training of skills and techniques. Warming up before the event of training. Cooling down after the event of training. Maintaining physical fitness. Use of correct gear. Gear means equipment. Knowledge about the sport. Regular supervision of teacher or coach. Sports equipment management. If you follow these points, you can prevent the injuries from the sports. Now I will go through the complete chapters, question and answer. What is the meaning of that? See, muscle strains. What all the muscle injuries caused to pulling or twisting of the muscle tendon. I told you earlier I told you. Prevention, proper conditioning during preparations, adequate warm up before training or sports activity, smooth and clean sports area, alertness while playing, complete knowledge about the game, discontinue playing in case of fatigue. First aid, make the affected area comfortable, wash with the cold water for 15 to 30 minutes. Do not apply ice directly but wrap it in clean cloth and then apply. Because if you apply direct ice on the injured place, that place will become infected. You directly hurt the cells. The blood flowing there, that cell will become dead. You should not apply direct on your skin. So sensitive, your cell will be going to die. So that's why you have to wrap it in cloth, then apply on the skin. So it will not directly like direct heat, like wearing gloves and touching the heat, it won't affect. Likewise, in case of excessive pain, take a painkiller or paracetamol. Apply warm water after 5 days. Take rest at least a week. Tone ACL. ACL means anterior cruciate ligament. One of the major stabilizing ligament of the knee. Regarding the knee jerk, the patla, the kneecap will be removed. Sometimes often this happen. In between two bones there will be a erection, become a thin, that ligament won't be there, like elastic systems. Cause slowing down and trying to cut, pivot or change direction, that is sudden activities. Prevention, proper conditioning during preparations, alertness while playing, discontinue playing in case of fatigue. First aid, rise, that means rest, ice, compression and elevations. Tone MCL, a medical collateral ligament, that is called MCL, the most important ligament of the knee, causes external rotational forces are placed on the knee joint. Prevention, proper conditioning during preparations, alertness while playing, discontinue playing in case of fatigue. Now first aid, rise, as I told you, RICE, shin splint, a pain in front of the leg between the knee and the ankle. Prevention, use of proper protective gear, regular exercises. First aid, resting and icing. Bone injuries. These include simple fractures, comminuted fracture, compound fracture, impacted fracture, complicated fracture and green stick fracture. Simple fractures. What do you mean simple fracture? Breaking of bone at one place without any effect on skin and muscles. Some fracture is there, bone will break and tone the muscle will come out. Likewise, this is not that way. Simple fracture. Now, comminuted fracture, breaking of bone at more than one place without any effect of skin and muscles. Compound fracture, breaking of bone along with the damage of skin and muscles. Impacted fracture, breaking of bone and entering of broken end into another bone. Now complicated fracture, breaking of a bone and it's damaging the internal organs. Next, green stick fracture, breaking or bending of delicate bones of children due to stress Causes of fracture: unnatural movements, sudden heavy impact, sudden fall, direct hit, osteoporosis, excessive running or walking. Now, prevention of fracture: educate warm up before training or sports activity, smooth and clean sports area, alertness while playing, complete knowledge about the game, eat well balanced diet, wear proper footwear, should not play rashly. First aid steps: give rest to the affected area. If there is bleeding, try to stop the bleeding first. Apply splint to the affected area. Splint can made from wood, plastic, metal, etc. Apply ice. Consult the doctor immediately. Now, plantar fasciitis. Tissues on bottom of foot get inflamed. That is called plantar fasciitis. Causes: excess running, flat feet, overweight. Prevention: regular exercise, adequate rest time between running. First aid: rest for few days, apply ice pack on the heels, oral pain reliever, apply athletic tape on foot. Next, sprained ankle. Ligament injury caused at ankle due to falling or twisting of ligament. Prevention: proper conditioning during preparation, adequate warm-up before training or sports activities, smooth and clean sports area, alertness while playing, complete knowledge about the game, discontinue playing in case of fatigue, eat well balanced diet, wear proper footwear. Now, first aid. There are two methods of first aid, that is, one is price and mice. The price, it stands for protect, rest, ice, compression and elevations. This is price. This is followed for first 48 hours of the injury. After that, mice is followed. What is a MICE? M-I-C-E. It stands for mobilization, ice, compression, elevation. After giving price treatment, after 2 days, the MICE treatment will start. This is followed after 48 hours from the injury till complete healing of the injury. Now, tennis elbow. This normally is a cricket player, a throw ball player. They will get most of these injuries. Caused due to excessive gripping activities. Regular stretching and strengthening exercises. Adequate rest hours. Avoid overtraining. For this first aid, rest for few days. Apply ice pack on the elbows, wrist and the lower half of the arm. Now, low back pain caused due to repetitive and overuse of spine stretcher. That means suddenly you are lifting a bucket of water, it is heavy, you don't know anything, suddenly lifting it catch up. So, prevention: comprehensive physical therapy treatment, regular trunk stabilization exercises. First aid: apply rice, basic physiotherapy exercises. Hip bursitis, deposition of chalky material on skin lining. Now causes continuous stress, infection, trauma. Now prevention, educate, rest intervals, regular consultation with the physician, first aid, apply mice. Conclusions, injury to the brain due to blow to the head where the brain is jarred or shaken. Prevention where proper care while exercising or practicing for sports. That's why while playing boxing, wear head guard. That purpose only you are telling that wear head guard is compulsory. Now prevention says the first aid, rest, reduced activities for the first 48 hours, gradual increase in activities after first 48 hours. Now Achilles tendinitis caused due to overuse of Achilles tendon, that is tissue band connecting lower calf of the heel of the foot. Prevention, no sudden increase in intensity or duration of runs, irregular exercising habits, choose shoes carefully, stretch daily, cross train, first aid, apply price. You know the price, what is the price stand for? But you have to add rise is there, rest, before that you have to write protect. It will become a price. So on this base, the question will be followed for your answer chapters. For your board exam up to this 1 to 6 chapter of section A of physical education textbook for your first semester, that is going to come, that divide into 2 parts. That will principal or academic, it will give the notice what type of portion you will going to get. So you have textbook, go through. If you have any doubt still, I don't think you will get any doubt. You have textbook, you can find out from the textbook. In case you have doubt, you are free to ask me. Good morning class, stay safe, stay home.